Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install ODHUB software and its supported tools. After downloading the ODHUB installer, click Install and follow the instructions to properly set up the software. After the installation is completed, you need a software license to activate all ODHUB functions. For each license, you will be provided with the corresponding API for deployment to a specific programming environment. In this course, I will use the LabVIEW API to activate the account. First, logging into the ANS Center website, go to the shop page. Select ANS OD LabVIEW and purchase the product. After the purchasing is completed, the system will send an email to confirm. Now you can access your personal portal to check if the license has been activated or not. So my ANS OD LabVIEW has been activated successfully. Now, we open ODHUB using the activated account. Before starting, we need to select the engine for the training. With ODHUB, you can train the model using resources from your local PC. ANS Center also provides a cloud service platform called ANS Cloud to assist users in training the model. With Cloud Server, you can simply select and start the training process utilizing our cloud engine. But, if you wish to train your model using local PC, then we need to install some software as required here in the local engine setup dialog. Firstly, install the compatible Python version for ODHUB. ANS Center has made it easier for you at this step. Just click Download Python. ODHUB will automatically find and install the compatible Python version. After the installation is completed, exit the program and restart the computer. Then log into ODHUB. You will see that Python box has been checked, which means a successful installation. Next, if your computer has GPU, ODHUB can also utilize that for faster training process. To enable GPU, we will need to install the Cuda toolkit of NVIDIA. You can skip this step if you don't use GPU and move to the engine installation step. Before we continue, to ensure that your GPU is compatible with new Cuda versions, always remember to update your GPU driver. You can visit the GPU vendor's website to download the latest drivers. After driver updating, we will continue to install the Cuda toolkit. Search Google for Cuda Toolkit Archive. Access the website. With this version of ODHUB, we will use Cuda Toolkit version 10.0. If there are any changes, ANS Center will notify users. Select the operating system you are using. Installer type is local and click Download the software. After downloading is completed, install Cuda as default. So Cuda has now been successfully installed. Next, we will download the cuDNN library. This is a fundamental library for deep learning neural networks accelerated by GPU. We search for cuDNN archive, find the version that is compatible with Cuda version 10.0 you've just installed. It will be cuDNN 7.6.5. Download the library for your operating system. The site will require you to have an account before downloading. You just need to create your account following the instructions. After downloading is completed, unzip the file, copy the Cuda folder and paste it into the location where Cuda Toolkit 10.0 is installed. Next, we will update the environment variables in the operating system. Open the Environment Variables dialog box on your computer. In System Variables, choose Path and click Edit. The Edit Environment Variables dialog box will appear. You will need to add 4 specific folder directories in this dialog. Here, 2 of them have already been added. All you have to do is add the remaining 2 folder directories. Select New and browse to each folder to add them. Once created, click OK and restart the computer again. Now we go back to ODHUB and check if the Cuda is installed. So Cuda has been installed. The last step is to install local engine. We just need to click Download Engine and let the software do the rest. After the installation is completed, restart the computer and then open ODHUB. You will see that the local engine setup dialog is gone, and we can now train the model using GPU. Now you have completely set up ODHUB. In the next videos, I will guide you through each of the ODHUB functions and the process of designing the object detection model using this software. Thank you for watching.